I want to show you the location for this thermostat for the Lexus. First thing, you gotta remove this cover, the top cover, and this two 10mm bolts. This was on top on here. Take that out to remove those clips in here. Sorry, just a quick video. And the thermostat will be below, right there. I'm gonna remove this hose, that hose on the side. Take these two bolts, 12mm out. There is one down here, and there is one up here. So you have a space so you can move around. That clip right there too, over here, and this plug, so you can work on here a little bit. What I use here is I have my own tools in here, so you can unclamp the hose. Also, if you do have one of these pliers clipper, so this is I use for the bottom hose to be easy to move it on the side. This is the old one here. I see this is 3 bolts, 10mm. Like you see, it's like that. So one on the top and two on the bottom, 10mm. See, the one for the side, you can use this one for this side. And I use the 10mm socket with this one in here, so I can remove the one in the back, and you can use it for the top one too. With the ratchet is fine. So this is not too bad. It's kind of easy to remove. That's it. If you have any question, just comment below, and please like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you so much for watching.